What's up, YouTube? I am the one and only Toya Cherie, and I am here with another video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. For all my day ones, you know what time it is. It's time to get this relaxer on. So I'm using this African Pride Olive Miracle, and I actually think I really like this one the best. It's already mixed. Make sure you have your mixing brush, a good old towel, your gloves. Have your hair sectioned in 4 sections, I would recommend. So we're going to get right into it, you guys. Oh, and don't forget, you need to oil your hair. I almost forgot. Make sure you just oil around the base of your neck and around the edges of your hair and in between your parts. Just so that if any of the relaxer gets on your skin, it won't burn you. Now you want to go ahead and apply it at a fairly quick pace, not too fast to where you're just missing sections and things like that, but at a decent rate. So I'm just showing you guys how I do the back half of my hair. Just the one little section. So when applying, you want to go down and then you want to do up so that it's like you're hitting both sections each time you apply. So you would go up and then down. And please, guys, make sure that you're just putting the relaxer on the new growth of your hair and try not to overlap the other sections of your hair that was previously relaxed or Texlaxed. Here's the back view of how I'm doing it. And again, this is about 5.5 months of new growth for me. So for anyone who is new, I like to stretch my relaxers out. And it works for me. Once I'm finished with the section, I just go back and apply a little bit more relaxer just so that I can get it, a good thick coat on it. And then I just start working it with my fingers through the section. And that's done. Now I'm back and I've completed all 4 sections. So as you can see, it is fully done. That's the back part and the front. Now, of course, you know, you can go ahead and smooth it over with either your fingers or a comb, whichever you prefer. I was using my fingers, and then I started using the comb for the edges, like so. So you just want to make sure it's good and smooth and to your liking. Yep, looks like it's about time to wash it out. So again, don't leave the relaxer on too long. So after I wash this out with the neutralizing shampoo, I will be back and show you guys my results. Boom. Okay. Yes. I like it. I like it. Let me tell you, I like it. This came with a leave-in conditioner, and that I already put in my hair. I just didn't show you, but it smells so good. Like, it smells really good, and it made my hair feel so soft. I really like this brand of relaxer. I really like this one. I think I'm gonna use this one from now on. So yeah, I think it did pretty well. My hair is, you know, it's still growing. It feels healthy. My edges look laid. Laid. Yeah, just showing you guys a little bit of my roots and how it came out. I think it turned out really well. And my hair feels so soft and so silky, and it's not completely bone straight, but it's straight enough for me. The back came out cool too. Well, that's it. I mean, if you guys have any questions or concerns, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely get back to you guys ASAP. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.